Hi and welcome to MMBTechTv, where we like to help you find affordable products faster. Now, if you've never been here before, my name is Ryan, and if you want to keep up to date with all things tech, all you need to do is make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss anything. So, you may be like me, where you find your Instagram account has less than 10,000 subscribers, right? Or 10,000 followers. But you see celebrities and other people with more than that have that feature that we are all lagging for. We all really want it, that swipe up feature. You know, the one where they'll be talking to you down the camera and they'll say swipe up to access this bit. Well, how about if I could tell you a way that if you have less than 10,000 followers, you could get that feature as well. So I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can access it and how you can have that feature. The best thing about it is it's all accessible from your smartphone. No computers required. And of course you can do this on both iOS and Android. So all you need is your phone in your hand and that's it. So we can take you through step by step on how you can get the swipe up feature for Instagram. So we've got our Android device or your iOS device, and now we're going to go through those steps nice and easy. So what I want to do is look at one of the images that I'm going to use on Instagram. So for example, I'm going to use, let's see, so I'm going to use this image, all right? Now for it to work, it needs to be more than a minute long for it in order to go over to IGTV. So this image on here, I'm going to put this through a video editing program. So for that, I've downloaded a couple, and the main one that I use is Director. It's a great app, it's great to use, there's loads of new benefits and features, definitely worth checking it out, and there will be a link in the description there as well for you to go and check out. So I'm going to do a new project, and I'm going to want it to be 9 by 16. And now I'm going to import that picture, that image that we want to use. So in that case, it was that one, and if from memory, it was that one. Let's go back. So here is my image here. So what I need to do with this image is make this more than a minute long. So using Power Director, I can simply pinch, grab, and extend that all the way out to past a minute. You can make it as much as you want after a minute, but I generally put it at about 1 minute and 15 seconds. From there, I'm going to produce this video and render it out. So I don't need it to be 4K, so I'm going to render this at 1080p and produce. So once that's produced now, that's given me the first tool that's required in order for us to get that swipe up feature. Now that's done, let's press OK. From there, so now I've managed to produce my video, that's what I'm going to use, and this is where now you can simply head over to IGTV. So let's type in there, IGTV. So now that video we've just created for 1 minute and 15 seconds, I'm going to tap it there, and that I'm going to make this now into an IGTV video. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to use that as the overlay or the thumbnail, if you will. Tap next, and this is where we're going to get really technical. At the title up there, I usually put something along the lines of, let's get my most recent up. I put an inward arrow in bold, I put click here for link, just to create a bit of attention, so when they come to see that, that's what they're going to be greeted with. Then in the description is where you would put the link to a video, to a document, to a website, to a product, something that you're trying to promote. So in my case, I'm going to head them to mmbtechtv.co.uk. Simple. And post. So now that's on its way to being produced, it's being uploaded. Once it's uploaded, then we can head over to our normal Instagram account, and this is where you can utilize that link process. So videos uploaded is now on IGTV, so that's the one that we're going to be heading over to in a second. So you need to go into your Instagram and then create a story. Thanks to everyone that jumped on the live stream tonight. It was really nice to see each and every one of you. But I did mention in there with regards to if you wanted to sponsor the show and you wanted to be one of those sponsors, you can do that as well. Of course, you can either go to info@MMBTechTv, or what you can do, you can swipe up, press the link and check it out from there. So I've now recorded my message, I know what I need to do, and I know that I'm going to direct them there because of course we pre-recorded that earlier on in IGTV. So from here, I'm going on to the last slide. Like you normally would on Instagram, I'm going to do a little swipe up. Lady there we go, right, so let's do swipe up. And then you would tap the link icon at the top there, and then you're greeted by your IGTV link. So you can see I've done a few of these that, you know, of what we're doing today because it works. So this is going to be the link here. I'm clicking on that one, little tick, and that call to action has now been added into the video. So if I press next, share, so now I'm going to share that story. So if we stories like I normally am, of course, if you remember on the next slide, we have that call to action already in there. So it's going to jump onto there. It's asking me to swipe up, so we swipe up. You can already see in the top corner, it says there, click here for link. If I tap that, tap the website, then it's going to take you straight over to the MMBTechTv website. And that is just simply how easy it is to utilize a tool like that. So you may have less than 10,000 followers, but you now can have the swipe up feature. It's as easy as that. And there you go, it's as simple as that. Now you can all be swiping up and really utilizing that benefit of getting the links and driving that extra traffic to the sites to where you want to go. Now, as you know, on my channel, that's what I do. I have them on there to send you into YouTube from Instagram or even send you over to the website. So really, really utilize it. Now, if you have any questions, any queries, anything like that regarding getting yourself up and ready about it, please feel free to get your questions in the comments box below, or you can contact us through any of our social media channels. So please go ahead, get yourself involved and feel free. Now, speaking about our website, if you haven't been over yet, make sure you head over. It's mmbtechtv.co.uk. There you can see all our videos, you can read some of our blog posts and check out some of our merchandise that we have on offer as well. So go and have a look. If you've got spare minutes, go and have a couple look at the videos, have a good read and get yourself involved. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and until next time, it's bye-bye for now.